guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making Nigerian fried rice. This is a delicious meal to try for you and your family. I'm going to be taking you guys over there and I will be introducing you guys to our ingredients for today. Please stay tuned. For our ingredients today, we have peas, green peas. We have our seasoning cube, we have meat cube, we have maggi, and we have meat powder. This is our prawn. I forgot to mention that this is a prawn fried rice recipe. We have our carrot, we have our sweet corn, we have meat stock. Whenever I boil meat, I like to take out some meat stock in case if I need it later. We have onions, we have ginger and garlic, we have curry, we have thyme, Nigerian mix seasoning, hot chili and paprika, and we have salt. So guys, this is our rice. So I'm using long grain easy cook rice. I'm going to add water and I'm going to pre-boil this rice for like, let's say 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to boil longer than that, just to help me wash out the rice. Some people do wash the rice without boiling it, but I have gotten to the method of boiling the rice before washing it. Anyway, let's get on with it. So we're going to parboil this rice for like 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, this is our rice. I am done pre-boiling it. Is like 2 minutes now. I'm going to take it over to my sink and I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. So guys, our rice is clean and ready. It is time for us to start adding our seasoning in the rice. So I'm going to add curry, I'm going to add thyme, I'm going to add Nigerian mix seasoning. I'm going to add one of the cube. Actually, this is a chicken cube, not a beef cube. I'm going to add chili powder. And I'm going to add my meat stock. I'm going to put it on the stove and I'm going to start cooking it. I cooked it until it became soft. So yeah, it is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now. You know, you want it soft, but you don't want it too soft so it will not become mushy. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the pot now. So now we're going to fry our prawn for a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add a little bit of the onions. I'm going to allow it to heat up for like a minute. So I'm going to add a little bit of the ginger and garlic. And I'm going to add our prawns. I'm going to fry this for like 5 minutes. After frying for like 5 minutes, it's time to add a bit of seasoning in it. Not too much though. I'm going to add a little bit of curry just to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mixed seasoning. And I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, not a lot, and I am going to mix everything together. I'm going to put it back on the stove for another 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes is ready, I'm going to take it out of the stove. So guys, I'm going to set it aside and start preparing our vegetables. So guys, in the same pot I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and I'm going to allow it to heat up a bit. I'm going to add our onions. I'm going to add our ginger and garlic, and I'm going to let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After frying our onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, it's time to start adding our vegetables. So I'm going to add our sweet corn, I'm going to add carrot, and I'm going to add green peas. So I'm going to put this back on the stove and let it cook for like 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes of letting our vegetable fry, I'm going to add our seasoning now. So I'm going to add Nigerian mix seasoning, thyme, curry, salt, paprika, and I'm going to add the beef powder. Okay, all right, now I'm going to mix. So I'm going to put this back for another minute or two just to let the seasoning simmer with the veg. So we are done frying our veg. Okay, we're going to start mixing our veg and our rice together. So I'm going to add some rice. So you need to be doing this small, and I'm going to add some veg. And we're going to mix. I'm going to taste for salt. I don't need to add salt. All the ingredients are perfect on it. I'm going to add our prawn. And I'm going to put it on the stove and let it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, this is our fried rice. I did a second batch, so you just have to keep doing it until you finish mixing your rice and your vegetable. So yes, we are done. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of spring onions. This is optional, you don't have to. So yes guys, this is our fried rice. It is ready. You can keep repeating the process of mixing your veg and your rice together until you have done everything. It smells so wonderful. The aroma in here is absolutely to die for, and is looking so yummy and so delicious and so colorful. So yeah, we are done. We are done. Yeah. Anyway guys, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up guys. Thumbs up, like this video. It really helped me to keep going and keep promoting my channel in here on YouTube. Yes, we are ready to dive in and enjoy our Nigerian fried rice.